Hello ma'am, hi. Kavita Garu, hi. Supriya Chaureshkar, hi. Prashanti ma'am, hi. Harika. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Teju, hi Nana. Sushma, hi. Soumya Garu, hi. Right. Okay. Pravina Rudraraju ma'am, ఎలా ఉన్నారు? Padma Garu, hi. So today the live is happening from road number 36 Jubilee Hills, Andi. Bhavna, hi. Soumya, hi. So the beautiful jewelry is by Pavan Mo Jewelers, Andi. Gayatri, hi. Pavan Mo Jewelers, Panjagutta. Very beautiful jewelry what I'm wearing. Look at this butta. These are the very pretty earrings, Andi. And this is the pendant. Beautiful jewelry made in rubies and antique finish with few diamonds and everything in this. And this is how the beads is. Aparna Varnasi, hi. Nalini Garu, hi. So this statement jewelry is by Pavan Mo Jewelers, Panjagutta, Andi. You're looking smart, madam. Thank you. So sweet. And I'm wearing a pure Gadwal turning border sari. Lot of people have been asking me for the turning border sari, Andi. Thank you. Akkem Nandini Garu, hi. I'm good, Andi. Lovely sari, looking beautiful. This is a excellent sari, ma'am. This is all a turning border Gadwal, Andi. Beautiful it is. See, enta beautiful undo. The combination is very nice, ma'am. The pallu, the combination, the sari. This is the pallu. Beautiful it is. And please take a screenshot and send it on 7993710111, whoever is interested. Let me just zoom out. This is how the sari is. Kirti, come. And the little Kuti Kirti is wearing a peach color.
Hello.
This is what Kirti is wearing, a pastel peach with a mint green, Andi.
It's a very nice pastel combination. And the jewelry, the Kundan jewelry is from Pavan Mo's Panjagutta, and the earrings too. And we have a nice contrast mint green pallu for this and a mint green blouse.
It's a pastel color Kanjivaram, Andi. Your sari is awesome, Kirti. Thank you.
Thank you.
Come, mom. And this is what auntie is wearing. This is what auntie student. This is what auntie is wearing, a green color kanchipattu saree andi with a purple border. And this is how it is. Lovely Kanjivaram, and the jewelry is by Pavanmo Jewellers, Panjagutta. So please take a screenshot and send it on. Me Shravana Friday look chudalani undi at your home. Okay. I'm trying to buy, but everything gets sold out soon. Soumya ma'am. Ma'am, ఇప్పుడు ఇమీడియట్గా స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసి పెట్టరా, సో దట్ వీ విల్ బీ ఏబుల్ టు హెల్ప్ యూ అవుట్. ఆంటీ వేసుకున్న కాంజీవరమ్స్ చూపిస్తున్నాను, అండ్ నేను వేసుకున్న గద్వాల్స్ కూడా చూపిస్తున్నాను. సో up to 30% off we are gonna have. So avail this wonderful offer andi. Yellow violet saree pp. Yellow violet ఏమున్నాయి? ఏం లేదు. Ma'am, this is light parrot green, leaf green or parrot green? Leaf green?
Parrot green.
Chilaka pacha.
Chilka pacha green.
Chilaka pacha saree it is. And for
Violet
today,
border.
yeah, violet border andi. For today, the contact number to book is 7993710111. Whoever likes, please take a screenshot and 7993710111 andi. Now we are going to show you all these beautiful Kanjivarams andi. Neelam ma'am. Okay, how are you? Long time Neelam ma'am, बहुत दिन के बाद. How is everybody at home ma'am? Thank you so much. You're also one of my very, very, very loyal and good client. Thank you for trusting us always. Chilaka Bacha sari price, please.
32.
Ma'am, Chilaka Bacha sari is 32 and you have up to 30% off. You get it at 22 change, 23 change. Sari and jewelry, Shashi. Super. Thank you, ma'am. Bagundi kada. This is a beautiful turning border Gadwal sari, ma'am. Very beautiful Gadwal motifs are there. See, weave and everything is so nice. Okay, now let's show the sarees, Nana. Let's move that side. Ikkade chupiddama, no problem. Or akkad chupiddama, we'll show. Everything is okay. Thank you, Neelam ma'am. Show the sarees now. So this is what auntie is wearing, Andi, and this is what Kirti is also wearing. Beautiful peach and green. This is how the entire look is. Very pretty peach color with light mint color. Lipstick shade, ma'am. I've mixed 2 lipsticks actually today. You're such an inspiration to a lot of young girls. Keep rocking, Shashi. Ramya ma'am, thank you. And that's what auntie is wearing. Next, let's show the sarees today. Let's start with this yellow and grey, Kirti. Mummy create pettadi. This is a beautiful yellow and green andi.
Yellow and grey.
Grey, sorry, yellow and grey. And what is the price of that? The price is 30,000, and in the offer
30,000.
The offer price is 25,500.
yes, it's only 30,000 andi, and in the offer you're getting it at 25,500. Let's show the next one. Ready? Aajo Zubair, paper bhi de do. This is a blue color sari with a red color border andi.
We have
Paper.
beautiful jacquard.
This is beautiful jacquard version of the weaving. Akkem Nandini, I'm totally okay. This is 30,000, and in the offer you are getting at 25,500. Next. But తీసుకొని పెట్టు బిడ్డ, మళ్ళీ చూపిద్దాం. This is the Talambralu sari style, off-white with red. And the price is 30,000, you're getting at 25,500. Next. This is copper sulfate blue with red color border andi. Price. This is also
The
30.
price is 30,000 and the offer price is 25,500.
What Kirti is wearing? How much is yours, Nana?
59,500 is the actual price, and discount. We have a discount.
30%.
Okay, we have a 30% discount on this.
Up. No, on Kirti sari you have a 30% discount, and on Auntie sari also you have 30% discount. This is a red color sari with a purple color border andi. Beautiful red kanjivaram. It's 28,500 andi, and the offer you're getting at 24,225. Beautiful kanchipattu sari, red color it is.
This is a
mid-priced.
beautiful Kalaneta sari. We have nice jari also all over the sari, and manchi Rani pink border.
Price?
The actual price is 28,500, and after discount we are getting it for 24,225.
This is a beautiful purple andi. Anybody's interested, you guys can take a screenshot and send it to us. Hi auntie baby doll. Price enta bidda? 28,500, 24.
And, yeah, after discount it's 24,225.
Yes. Next one.
This is a nice lux green.
Yeah, lux green.
Lux green sari with a silverish gold,
Yeah,
light
silverish,
gold. No?
dull gold anta.
Yeah, dull gold border, and we have silver buttis all over the sari. This is very
And
beautiful.
it looks similar to what Kirti is wearing,
Yeah.
and in the pastel tone, pastel family basically.
A little darker color.
Next.
The price of this sari is 28,500, and after discount we're getting it for 24,225.
And please take a screenshot and send it on 799371011. Bus వెళ్ళిపోతుందా? This is a deep royal blue andi, navy blue.
We have silver zari, nice floral zari all over the sari, and we have a nice green border.
Price?
Price is 28,500, and after discount it's 24,225.
Next. Wow, this is a beautiful shade.
It's a nice chilka pacha green. And
I don't know why did mom and daughter like this chilakapacha so much.
It's a nice chilka pacha green, and nice blue border we have for this, and all over booties ochai.
Yes.
Yeah, this is how it looks. The actual price is 28,500. After discount it's 24,225.
Perfect.
Wow, pastels. Whoever are looking for pastels, a nice light pastel pink tissue ochindi, and then we have a Rani pink border for this with golden zari. It's a very beautiful combination. Pastels. And this, the actual price is 28,500, and after discount it's 24,225. This is a very nice traditional combination.
Of orange color. Let me open this sari for you guys. Shashi ma'am, Lakshmi, Auntie Lalita Devi, Kirti Saraswati.
Thank you so much.
Sam, so sweet of you, Nana. This is a nice orange andi, orange with green color, Kanjivaram sari. With a green color pallu and a green color blouse.
Yeah, this is the pallu, and we have a. This is the blouse.
Blouse. Orange color bright ga undandi meeku video kanna.
Yeah, this is how it looks.
This is 28,500 andi, and offer you get it at 24,225. Auntie? वो पिंक वाला बेबी पिंक वाला बता दो आंटी को. Somebody was asking the baby pink. This is how it is. Light baby pink. Beautiful light baby pink with a Rani pink border andi. Bindu ma'am, check this baby pink and a Rani pink border. And this is the blouse. Beautiful, right? Next one. We'll show the green with grey, Nana. खदीर ले लो, खदीर जाके। नहीं नहीं, वो जुबैर देख लेता है। इधर आ जुबैर। This is a beautiful power loom, lime green with a grey color border, and very pretty it is. See how beautiful it is. మ్యామ్ ఇది స్టెప్స్ పెడితే చాలా బాగుంటుంది. నాన్న ఇది స్టెప్ పెట్టి చూపిరా. బ్లౌజ్ ఎందుకు తీసేసినవే స్టెప్ పెట్టమంటే? అలవాట్లో పొరపాట. So I'll show you guys. I'm very much fine, ma'am. Somebody was checking on me. Thank you. Pink sari is superb. Usha Madhu, superb auntie. Auntie is really glowing and energetic, anta. This is how it looks, Sandy, when you put the steps. Very beautiful, right? Beautiful Kanjivaram sari. మీ మమ్మీ స్కూల్లో స్టూడెంట్ లాగా సారీ 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 అంట. సో దిస్ ఇస్ హౌ ఇట్ ఇస్ అండి. ఆంటీ గ్లో చూస్తున్నారా మీరందరూ? నెక్స్ట్ విల్ షో యూ ఫ్యూ టిష్యూస్ అండి. Show something in bottle green. Definitely, ma'am, I'll show you. Choti pakad. Please take a screenshot and send it on 7993710111. Okay, let me show you something in bottle green. This is what I'm wearing, Andi. Lehengas చూపిస్తాను మ్యామ్. కొన్ని లెహెంగాస్ ఉన్నాయి, చూపిస్తాను. సిల్వర్ नहीं साड़ी बता दो. कीर्ति सिल्वर हीरा. This is a very beautiful silver saree అండి. Silver with purple. చాలా pretty ఉంది saree. Waiting for Gadwals? Sure. What is the price of this saree? Ma'am, this is 36,250. And after discount, you're getting it at 30,813. 36,000. Beautiful saree. Which color? Bottle green. Get it. Somebody was trying to check on the bottle green saree. Ma'am, today's ranges are 20, 30. तुम फोन पकड़ बैठे ढंग से. Beautiful bottle green with gold border. చాలా ప్రిటీగా ఉంది మ్యామ్ ఈ సారీ. వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్ సారీ ఇట్ ఇస్. See, manchi bottle green it is, and with a big gold border and a self blouse. Price of this saree, babu? 39,000, ma'am, and you have up to 30% discount on this too. I'm trying to reach the support guys. Ma'am, please chappandi. Nana baby pinky Khadir dimma tumma.
This one.
This is a baby pink saree అండి. Baby pink with a brown border. చాలా ప్రిటీగా ఉంది ఇది కూడా. I open. This is how it is. Pretty baby pink with a chocolate brown. చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ saree అండి. This is how it is అండి. Lovely Kanjivaram saree. This is baby pink with a brown. See the border? Pastel color Kanchipattu saree andi, and this is how the pallu is, and this is the blouse. How much? It is 31,250 andi, and after discount you are getting it 26,775.
Sorry.
Come next, Vicky. Anju Bishra. करेक्ट दे दो बेटा प्राइजेस.
This is another nice pastel color saree. It's a nice peach color, and then we have zari all over the saree, and we have it with a brown border. This is how it looks. It's a very nice light pastel color. It's a nice peach and brown saree, and we have a contrast pallu and a contrast blouse. This is how the blouse looks. The actual price is 31,250, and after discount we are getting it for 26,775.
So people who wanted to see this is what I'm wearing. Gadwal sari. Lavanya, Gadwal chupichra. Show the border, Babu, little neat. This is how the sari is, andi. Let me show you a couple of Gadwals. This is a peach with a bottle green Gadwal border, andi. Turning Gadwals. Very beautiful saree it is. Light baby pink and a bottle green Gadwal it is. The border is beautiful, the blouse is beautiful. Sleeve and the entire blouse ki manaku chinna chinna motifs vastayandi. And this is a turning border. Chala beautiful undi ma'am ee saree. And దీంట్లో మనకి వీవింగ్ బట్టి ప్రైస్ అనేది చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. సో మేక్ ష్యూర్ ద క్వాలిటీ విచ్ యూర్ బయింగ్. సీ ద బ్లౌజ్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద పల్లు అండి. దిస్ ఇస్ ద పల్లు. వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్ పల్లు అండి. This is 33,599 andi, and after discount you're getting at 26,879. This is similar to what I wore andi, green with purple. Excellent Gadwal saree this is. Very beautiful it is. అండ్ యాక్చువల్లీ బ్లౌజ్ కుట్టిస్తే ఇలా ఉంటుంది మ్యామ్. చాలా ప్రిటీగా ఉంది. సెల్ఫీ. సో దిస్ ఇస్ హౌ ద లుక్ ఇస్ గోనా బీ విత్ దిస్ రిచ్ బ్లౌజ్. యూ సీ ద బ్లౌజ్. थोड़ा दूर बेटा. యూ సీ ద బ్లౌజ్. సో బ్యూటిఫుల్. అండ్ దీనికి మనము ఇలా కుట్టించుకుంటే చాలా బాగుంటుంది మ్యామ్. ఇలా బార్డర్, చీర అండ్ బ్లౌజ్ చాలా బాగుంది బ్లౌజ్. ఇదిగోండి మ్యామ్, ఎక్సలెంట్ గద్వాల్ టర్నింగ్ బార్డర్ సారీ. బ్యూటిఫుల్ గద్వాల్. అండ్ లెట్ మీ షో యూ ద పల్లు. అమేజింగ్ అండ్ అ వెరీ రిచ్ రీగల్ పల్లు అండి. Show you like this. See, lovely Gadwal, and look at the quality ma'am. Turning border చాలా బాగుంటుంది. Please take a screenshot and send it to us అండి. We'll show the yellow. This is the yellow saree అండి, yellow Gadwal turning border. This is also one of my favorites actually. What an amazing saree it is. Lovely. Yellow is always tempting actually. Very beautiful. Look at this turning border. Excellent it is ma'am. Yellows are always nice. And the pallu is also beautiful. And the blouse is like no doubt wonderful saree type. So this is how the turning border Gadwals andi. like this. We are going to continue the episode now. Here you want to show the pattus and Amma is going to gadwals. This is how the pallu is, and this is the blouse. This is a beautiful gadwal sari, yellow and purple. Beautiful kada ma'am. So ila bold ani చీరలు మీకు చూపిస్తాము. Come on, gadwals చూపించండి.
This is a beautiful Gadwal sari again. It has a nice copper sulphate body and manchi brown border ochindi. We have a nice brown border. And look at the antique zari. And this is how the blouse looks. Blouse kuda we have booties of silver and gold and a nice antique border. This is how it looks. It's a very nice contrast color sari. And the actual price is 33,599 and offer price is 26,879. And the next one is also a very traditional color. It's another color another color of the saree we showed, and it's a very similar saree to the one we just saw. It's a very nice mustard color saree which has booties all over, and then we have a nice meenakari border. It's a very nice dark maroon border. It has meenakari work all over the border, and we have a contrast pallu and a contrast blouse. Similar to the other sarees, we have a nice butta and border for the blouse too. This is how the blouse looks. It has a very nice sober antique zari all over the border. The actual price of the saree is 33,599 and the offer price is 26,879. And the next saree is a nice Rani pink saree. It's a very nice Rani pink saree. Kalaneto ochindi. It has a nice kalaneta, and we have a small silver and gold butta all over the body. And the border is very royal. It has a orange and green border. This is how it looks. And we have a nice contrast pallu, nice orange pallu, and a nice blouse, contrast blouse with booties and the double color border. This is the blouse, and this is how the saree looks. The actual price is 22,500 and we have a 20% discount on this. The next one. And the next one is a very unique color. It's a very unique color. It has full color all over. Light pista green, very unique combination in Gadwal. And the border, it has a nice silver zari border. It's a violet color border, and we have little meenakari work in the border too. It's a very different combination. And we have a nice, look at the pallu. We have a very grand pallu for this, and we have a contrast blouse. Look at the blouse, guys. This is the blouse. And this is how the sari looks. It's a very different combination. To book the sarees for orders, please contact 7993710111. The actual price is 33,599 and the offer price is 26,879. This is a very traditional combination. Manchi dark green. It has a silver and gold butta all over the sari. It's a very traditional combination. And look at the border. It has a nice Rani pink border. Border lo manchi design ochindi. It's a very unique design in the border with golden zari. This is how it looks. In the pallu, we have a nice rich pallu of Rani pink. And this is the blouse. We have a contrast blouse. This is how the blouse looks. This is how the blouse looks. The actual price is 33,599 and the offer price we are getting it for 26,879. And next we have a very nice, this is also a very different combination in Gadwals especially. We have a nice peach color. We have a nice peach color body with cute chinna gold butties. It's a very nice peach color. In the border we have a nice silver and gold zari all over the border with a violet color. And also meenakari. It has a lot of work in the border. This is how it looks. And this is how the pallu looks. We have meenakari in the pallu too. It has a lot of work. And then this is how the blouse looks. We have a contrast blouse. This is how the blouse looks. We have a kati border for the blouse. This is how the sari looks. The actual price is 33,599 and the offer price is 26,879. Excuse me. This is a very royal combination. Nice dark deep purple, deep violet all over the sari. And we have chinna flowered booties. And look at the border. It has nice deeds all over the border. It has peacocks. It's a nice orange color border. It looks very beautiful. And this is how the pallu looks. It has a contrast pallu. Blouse here, huh? And this is how the blouse looks. It's very beautiful. And the actual price of the sari is 33,599 and the offer price we are getting it for 26,879. Wow. This is a nice lime green sari. And we have stylish square butties all over the sari. Silver color lo ochindi tone mottam. And look at the border. It has a nice deep violet border. And this is how it looks. And we have a nice contrast pallu with silver zari. And we have a very dark blouse, a very contrast blouse. This is how the blouse looks. It has got a very big silver border and also the booties which are there on the sari. The actual price of the sari is 33,599 and the offer price is 26,879. This is an evergreen combination. We have a nice brown color body all over the sari with silver booties. It's a pure Gadwal Pattu sarees, what all we were showing. And we have a nice bright orange border with silver zari and meenakari work in the border. And we have a nice contrast pallu for this. And I'll show you the blouse, it's beautiful. Yeah, and this is how the blouse looks. This is how the blouse looks. It's a beautiful combination. The actual price of the saree is 33,599 and the offer price we are getting it for 26,879. This is also a pure Gadwal saree, a little different from what we have shown till now. It's a nice violet color which has meenakari in the booties also. Look at the booties, are beautiful. In the border also we have nice meenakari and we have a very big blue color border. This is how it looks. And nice meenakari work in the pallu too. It's a very royal pallu and we have a contrast blouse for this. This is how the blouse looks. The actual, for orders to book the sarees, ping on 7993710111. This is also a very bright color which we can see rarely in Gadwals, and it's a very nice peachish pink color all over the body. And look at the kalaneta we have in this. It has a nice meenakari border with a copper sulphate color and silver zari. This is how it looks. And we have a nice contrast pallu and we have got a very nice contrast blouse. This is the contrast blouse. Yeah, this is how the blouse looks.
Last.
And we have one last sari in Gadwals. After this, we'll go to the Kanchi Pattu sarees. This is a very beautiful and rare kalaneta with a tinge of greyish blue and violet. And we have a nice meenakari and silver border in this. And this is how the pallu looks. Yeah, this is the pallu. It's very beautiful. And the blouse, I'll just show you the blouse. Yeah, this is how the blouse looks. We have got a beautiful contrast blouse for this. This is the last Gadwal Pattu saree for today. And we are going to see Kanchi Pattu sarees now. This is a beautiful blue, Ananda blue colored sari which has booties all over it. And look at the border, it's pure Kanchi Pattu. It has a nice red border. And we have a contrast pallu and contrast blouse for this. Blouse kuda chala grand gochindi. It has a very big border for the blouse. The price of this is, the actual price is 30,000 and we are getting a whooping discount of, we are getting it the
25.
no, this is the final. Okay. After discount we are getting it for 25,500. We have a whooping 5,000 discount on this. The next saree is, yeah, This is the next saree. This is beautiful. Manchi royal blue andi saree. Brocade work వచ్చింది saree మొత్తం. And we have a nice beautiful orange border for this. This is how the saree looks. And we have a nice contrast pallu and a beautiful contrast orange blouse. And this is how it looks. Okay, the actual price is, okay, this is also the actual price is 30,000. After discount we're getting it for 25,500. ఇందాక మ్యాప్ చెప్పారు కదా తలంబ్రాల చీర. This is how it looks after we open it. Nice మంచి half white కి మంచి orange border, dark deep orange border. Best talambralu chira. This is how it looks, and we have a contrast pallu and a contrast blouse for this. The actual price of the sari 30,000 and after discount it's 25,500. Yeah. For orders you can ping on this number 7993710111. And the next saree is, yes, this is the next saree. It's beautiful. Nice red saree. Very nice red saree. Cherry red saree meeda all over latal vachai gold color zari to. And we have a nice very big border golden zari to violet color border ochindi. And we have a nice contrast pallu and a contrast blouse. This is the blouse. Okay, and the actual price is 28,500 and after discount we are getting it for 24,225. Yeah, the next saree is a beautiful Kalaneta saree. Beautiful Kalaneta saree ochindi. All over zari work undi. And we have a nice Rani pink border. Pure Kanchi Pattu sarees all these are. And look at the pallu. It has a nice Rani pink pallu and a Rani pink blouse. This is how the blouse looks. The price of the saree is, the actual price is 28,500 and the offer price is 24,225. This is a nice purple violet color saree. దీని మీద కూడా all over zari వచ్చింది, golden zari. And we have a very big border for this. Look at the border. This is all golden zari. And we have a nice opposite color pallu, Kalaneta pallu, and we have a Kalaneta blouse for this. It's very beautiful. Blouse మీద కూడా చిన్న brocade work వచ్చింది. Yeah, this is how it looks. And the price of the saree is, the price of this saree is 28,500. The offer price is for 24,225. And this is a beautiful Lux green saree. Pastels adugutunna vallaki this is a perfect choice. We have a nice dull gold border ochindi. It's very beautiful, perfect pastel choice for people who are looking for pastels. And this is how the pallu looks. And this is the blouse. We have a contrast blouse It's a very beautiful combination. Similar to the one which I'm wearing. Similar to the color which I'm wearing now. The actual price of the saree is 28,500 and after discount we are getting it for 24,225. And what mom is wearing is a beautiful deep royal blue. All over the body we have brocade work which looks beautiful with silver zari. This is how it looks. And the border, look at the border, it has a nice green color border. And we have a beautiful opposite color pallu and a contrast blouse. Blouse comes with a beautiful color neta combination. And the price, the actual price of the saree is 24,225. Sorry. The actual price is 28,500. The offer price is 24,225. And this is the last saree for this episode, and it's a beautiful one. We have a nice lime green body all over the saree. Look how beautiful it is. And we have a nice green color border for this. Nice green color border. It looks very stylish, looks very royal. And the pallu, we have a contrast pallu. This is how the pallu looks. And I'll show you the beautiful blouse we have got for this. This is the blouse. Look at the blouse. We have a nice color neta blouse for this. The actual price of the saree is 28,500 and the offer price is for 24,225. And now we have come to Benares Pattu sarees, the pure Benares. It's a deep violet color, grape color antaru. And look at the border, it is beautiful. It has silver and gold stripes, and I'll show you the pallu. And this is how the pallu looks, beautiful pallu, very royal looking pallu. And we have got a violet blouse for this. Yeah, this is the blouse. We have a plain blouse with a cute border for this. And the price of this saree is 26,000 and we have a discount of 20%. This is how it looks. And this is a beautiful yellow and red Benares. Pandagalki chala baguntundi. All age groups can wear this. Nice yellow, and look at the border. I love the border. It has got a beautiful meenakari work border. It has got a nice beautiful meenakari work. It's very beautiful, very intricate design. And we have a nice meenakari pallu. See, this is the pallu. And we have a nice contrast red blouse with a cute little border for the blouse. The actual price is 24,500 and we have a discount of 20%. Yeah. These are the last 3 sarees for this episode. This is a pure Benares Pattu. And this is a nice navy blue saree with a nice pink border, Rani pink border ochindi with a golden zari, a little meenakari work on the border too. This is how it looks, and I'll show you the pallu. Yeah, we have got a nice contrast pallu for this, and the we have got a colorinator blouse for this, and the price is, yeah, the actual price is 22,500, as you can see, and we are getting a discount of 20%. Sorry, there was a connectivity issue. Last two sarees of this episode. It's a beautiful golden color. No, it's a light mint green with a golden zari all over it. It's pure Benares Pattu, which looks very, very royal, and it has a nice tomato pink border. This is how it looks, and we have a nice contrast pallu for this and a contrast blouse. I'll show you the blouse. This is the blouse we have got for this, and the actual price of the saree is 17,800, and we have a discount of 20%. This is the last saree for this episode, guys, and it's a beautiful one. We have kept the best for the last. This is a nice pink saree with a nice bottle green border and meenakari work in the border. This is how it looks, and we have a nice, this is a pallu. We have a very nice pallu, bottle green, and a beautiful bottle green blouse with a cute border. The price of the saree is 22,500, and we have a discount of 20%. Don't miss it. For orders, please contact 7993710111. They'll help you out. So this is it for this episode, and we're signing off. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye.